Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Move and granting the core permissions. This lets the app track transfers and nearby devices securely. Tap Sign In or Create Account because transfers tie to your identity for continuity. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled and confirm your device has at least 20% battery to avoid interruptions. These steps prevent permission errors later and speed up discovery. Now, go to the main screen where Send and Receive buttons appear. We'll start a transfer. You select Send or Receive and then choose what to move. Photos, files, or entire folders are supported. If sending, pick items, then tap Discover to locate the recipient. Move uses Bluetooth Discovery or a QR code for quicker pairing. Make sure to select Wi-Fi Direct for fastest speeds or allow cellular fallback if no network exists. Use encryption toggle for private transfers. Once devices are paired, confirm the file list and tap Start Transfer. Progress bars will show ETA and speeds. You watch the transfer complete and verify integrity. Move may show checksums or a quick preview so you can confirm files arrived intact. When progress reaches 100%, tap Finish and close the session. Received content will place itself in the file's app, photos, or the app you chose. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth and location, then force Quit and reopen Move. If that fails, restart both devices and resend. This fixes most pairing and network hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.